Hi, Craft Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today, I want to welcome you all back to my channel. You are where everything is made with love in every stitch. And today I'm here with a new printable from Decorate Your Life. The name of this printable is Bee-YOU-tiful. Bee-YOU-tiful. It has 7 sorry about that. It has 7 pages plus the add-on page. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you all the pages. Here's my little title page for her. And I'm going to make one with each new one that she's got coming out. Now, we can see here, this is beautiful. Okay. You have your clouds here. The background is all polka dotted. Let me get a sip of water here. And we have some sunflowers and a tree branch with a little honeycomb and a heart punched out of it, with honey dripping from the honeycomb, with some bees here. We have a little old wheelbarrow here with a little bee here, a bucket of honey over here, and you can see all the flowers decorating along the bottom here and the side. So that is page 1. Okay. For page 2, we have You Be You. I love that already. Now we have the purple, it's like a lavender purple background. Then you have some white flowers hanging here. Here's 2 bee unicorns. And you have all your flowers here on the bottom. And you have flowers all along the top. And then we have the pink polka dot. You have a tree here. You got the queen bee here. The little red truck. Okay, it says, Honey Bee You, Natural Honey. You have your flowers here. You got a little barrel with the heart cut out with a bow. And then you have the little picket fence. The bale of hay. And then up here you have all your flowers with the little honeybee hives with the heart cut out. And then this one, you have, it looks like a picnic basket background. Okay. And you have your flowers up here and your flowers in the corner. These are so pretty. And then you have this one here, which I use for the title page. It's called Bee-YOU-tiful. And it has the honey heart lollipop with a bow on a stick. Then you have this, looks like a beehive. You got the honeycombs. Here, this is a funny looking bee here. Then you got the hearts with the bow. You got some honey dripping up here. And the background has little red hearts with like a white lined background. And it's yellow. And then we have the blue background, similar to the one on the previous page with the little lines in the back. And you got, it's a whole sheet of honey dripping. And then we have this one here. I'm going to show y'all all the other ones up close also. You have the little houses here with the heart cut out. You got all your flowers. You have a peach polka dot background. You got your flowers over here. Your flowers here. Here's some more of the little houses with the heart cut out. You got a bee here and a bee there, and all your flowers down below. And here is the add-on page, okay? Now, it's a total of 7 pages all together. You have this one, okay? This one, this one, let me try to get that. Then you have this one. I like, you see how she's got a double print in there? I like that. Now here's the one with the hearts in the background. And then you have this one and this one, okay? So this is a total of 7 sheets here for the printable. And then you have your add-on, which are die cuts here. You can fussy cut them out or whatever. You have the little house in the frame. Then you have the queen bee in the frame. The little honey gnome. The kitty cat bee. You got this one. The unicorn bee. You got a couple of bees, a bow. Be kind, create, inspire, connect. Bee-You-tiful. And then you have the honeycomb with the honey dripper and the spoon. You got a sunflower here. All over. The whole kit has sunflowers. And also, I want to let you all know she has a sale going on from today till Monday, February 14th, 2022, which is Valentine's Day, okay? Now, her kits are all on sale. The add-on page here is usually $1.25. The sale price is $1, okay? I love this kit, so I have so many ideas to get going with it, and we'll see what I come up with, okay? If you would like to purchase this printable or any of her other printables, I will have the link to her shop down below in the comment section of this video. So, I would like to say this in closing. Please be kind, be blessed, be safe, be caring, be crafty, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. And remember, you are where everything is made with love at every stitch. And bye-bye for now.